Welcome to the Healing Sanctuary Institute in Huatulco. Today, we want to introduce you to a powerful natural healing therapy, magnetotherapy and biomagnetism. Magnetotherapy uses magnetic fields to stimulate cellular regeneration and balance the body. By placing magnets strategically on the body, this therapy helps improve circulation, reduce pain, and restore energetic harmony. Biomagnetism takes healing further by using pairs of magnets to neutralize harmful microorganisms and correct pH imbalances in the body. This technique helps treat various conditions, strengthens the immune system, and promotes optimal health. At the Healing Sanctuary Institute, we combine science and holistic wellness to provide safe and effective therapies. We believe in the power of natural energy to heal both body and mind. Experience the benefits of magnetotherapy and biomagnetism. Visit our website and schedule your session. Your journey to wellness starts here.